In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the meeting scheduler in HubSpot so you can easily share booking links and let others schedule time with you without the back and forth. Start by connecting your calendar to HubSpot. Head to Settings, then go to General and open the Calendar tab. From here, connect your Google Calendar or Office 365 account so HubSpot can see your real-time availability and avoid double bookings. Once your calendar is connected, go to the Sales section and click on Meetings, then choose Create Scheduling Page. You'll be asked to select a meeting type, like one-on-one if it's just you, group if multiple people need to join, or round robin if you want meetings to rotate between team members. Next, add your meeting details by setting a name, title, and location. If it's a virtual meeting, you can include a Zoom or Google Meet link along with a short description so people know what to expect. After that, set your availability by choosing your working hours, meeting duration, and adding buffer time between calls if needed. You can also set a minimum notice time to avoid last-minute bookings. Then customize the form people will fill out when booking, whether it's just name and email or additional questions to help you prepare. You can also enable automatic confirmation emails and reminders to reduce no-shows. Once everything looks good, click Create Scheduling Page and copy your booking link. You can share it in emails, messages, or even embed it on your website, and whenever someone books a meeting, it will automatically appear on your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used the meeting scheduler in HubSpot to simplify your scheduling and save time.